Yes, hi
Good evening.
Kanako. Good evening and welcome back to my class. So, how are you today?
I'm fine today. Thank you.
That's
And
good to
you?
hear. Yeah, I'm okay. Pretty good. Thank you also for asking. Yes, you look good. All right, so let's start the lesson. You chose side by side 2, chapter 7 to 1. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
That's nice. Okay, so now look at the first page. We have chapter 7 imperatives. Okay, and
Okay.
then we have directions. Okay, now let's have chapter opening. So now let's read the words in the blue box. So please repeat
Okay.
after me, okay?
Okay.
All right, we have getting around town. Let's read
Getting around town.
public transportation.
Public transportation.
Okay, very good. All right, and then Kanako, let's talk about getting around your town. So, what can you see outside your house? Okay.
Um, I I can see uh junior school and junior high school.
Oh, really? The school is just near your house?
Yes.
Wow. Did you also study there in that
Uh
school?
yes.
Oh, wow. You just walk.
Yes.
All right.
I I walked I walked today in
Mm-hmm.
my room.
Just
I I hear
you
I
can hear them,
hear
the students?
yes,
Oh,
I can
really?
hear them.
Oh, really? Just
Uh,
very close to your home.
yes,
Mm,
they they dance
they dance. Oh, that's
in
what's noisy.
outside. A
Okay.
big
Oh, with music, with sounds and
yes
music.
with music.
Oh, so loud. So
Yeah,
does it bother you? Does it
no,
bother? No, it's just okay. All
it's
right.
just okay. But
Uh-huh.
I confuse when I had
Mhm.
have a business meeting.
Okay. So it disturbed you when you have a business meeting. Oh, yes, that's
Yes.
true. You need silence whenever you have that business meeting. All right.
Yeah.
So, okay. So you can say I became confused, right? I became confused or yep, I
Confused.
became confused or it is let's say it it is destructive. Okay, we can also say it is destructive.
Destructive.
Yep, do you know the word destructive? It yeah,
No, I don't know.
it can distract like silence. So when we
Mm,
say destructive, it's very noisy,
mm,
right? Okay, the spelling is this one, destructive. Yeah.
destructive.
Yes, you can say that the noise in the school is very destructive whenever
Oh,
I have a business meeting, something like that.
yeah.
All right. Okay, so now let's continue. Let's move to vocabulary preview. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so let's read some vocabulary words. So please repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's start with the first one, airport.
Airport.
Okay, next is baseball stadium.
Baseball stadium.
All right, and the third one is concert hall.
Concert hall.
And also we have courthouse.
Courthouse.
Okay, then we have flower shop.
Flower shop.
Very good. We also have hardware store.
Hardware store.
And we also have ice cream shop,
Ice cream shop.
motel,
Motel.
museum,
Museum.
and also we have parking garage,
Parking garage.
pet shop.
Pet shop.
Okay, next is playground,
Playground.
and we have shoe store,
Shoe store.
toy store,
Toy store.
and the last one is university.
University.
All right, okay, so this time please read numbers 1 to 15 by yourself, okay?
Okay.
All right, please start.
Airport.
Mm-hmm,
Baseball stadium.
mm-hmm.
Concert hall.
Okay,
Courthouse.
all right.
Flower shop.
Mm-hmm,
Hardware store.
all right,
Ice cream shop.
that's right.
Motel.
Motel. Mm-hmm.
Museum.
Okay.
Parking garage.
Mm-hmm.
Pet shop.
All right.
Playground.
Yes.
Shoe store.
Mm-hmm.
Toy store. University.
Very good. Okay. Just this one, it is read as garage or garage. Okay, garage.
Garage.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good.
Garage.
Yes. All right, very good. Good job. Okay, now let's move to the next. Let's have page number 62, the topic title. Can you tell me how to get to? Please read.
Can you tell me how to get to?
All right, before we read the words in the blue boxes, let's learn the grammar rule for this lesson first. Okay, so let me type it in the chat box. Please look at the chat box. So we have the grammar rule. It says the imperative is the simple form of the verb with the understood subject, you. The imperative is used to give directions. All right, so look at the example. So when we say walk up, okay, walk up Main Street. Although we are just, this is imperative, right? Like we are giving, when we say imperative, we are giving directions. So we are, or it could be a command. So those are imperatives. So when you say walk up Main Street, even though there is no word you, but as if you are saying you walk up Main Street, right?
Mm.
For example, if I will tell you jump, okay?
Mm.
Although there is
Okay.
no you, it means you jump, right? Okay, so in the imperatives, um, the subject you is already understood, right? It's already understood that it's there,
Yeah.
even though it's not included. Okay?
Mm.
All right.
Okay.
Is everything clear so far?
Yes, everything
Okay,
clear.
very good. All right, so this time let's read the words in the first blue box. Okay, please repeat after me.
Okay.
Walk up,
Walk up.
walk down,
Walk down.
on the right,
On the right.
on the left,
On the left.
across from,
Across from.
next to,
Next to.
between.
Between.
Okay. All right, so now let's read the model conversation. So I'll be A and you will be B, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's try. Let's start. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the laundromat from here?
Sure. Walk up Main Street and you'll see the laundromat on the right, across from the drugstore.
Thank you. Okay, let's do the next one. All right. Um, excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the post office from here?
Sure. Walk down Main Street and you'll see the post office on the left, next to the high school.
Thank you. All right, let's switch the role. So this time you'll be A and I'll be B, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's start with the first one.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the laundromat from here?
Sure. Walk up Main Street and you'll see the laundromat on the right, across from the drugstore.
Thank you.
All right, the next one.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the post office from here?
Sure. Walk down Main Street and you'll see the post office on the left, next to the high school.
Thank you.
Okay, that's great. All right, so this time let's have the activity. All right, so can you see number 1 to 6 pictures? So we will be using the model conversation pattern. Okay, so I'll be
Okay.
A and then you will be B. Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay, let's start. Okay, number 1. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the clinic from here?
Sure. Walk up Main Street and you'll see the clinic on the right, across from the toy store.
Very good. Thanks. Okay, now let's go to number 2. All right, please look at number 2. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the police station from here?
Sure. Police station. Okay. Walk down Main Street and you'll see the police station on the right, next to the bank.
Is it the bank? Uh-huh. Okay. Is it not the high school? Across from the
high school.
high school, yes. All right, thanks. Okay, now let's have number 3. Okay. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the drugstore from here?
Drugstore. Okay, sure.
Okay.
Walk up Main Street
All right.
and you'll see the drugstore on the left, next to the barber shop.
Yes, thanks. Okay, number 4. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the library from here?
Sure. Library. Okay. Walk down Main Street.
All right.
And you'll see the library on the right.
Okay.
Across from the post office.
Or next to the police station. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. All right, number 5. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the barber shop from here?
Sure. Sure. Walk up the Main Street.
All right.
And you'll see
Mm-hmm.
the barber shop
Okay,
on the left.
that's right.
Uh, across from the bakery.
Yes, very good. Okay, thanks. All right, number six, the last one. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the toy store from here?
Mm, sure.
Mm-hmm.
Walk up the main street
Okay.
and you'll see the toy store on 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 the left,
Mm-hmm.
next to the bank
Next to the bank and also across from
and
the
across from the clinic.
clinic. Yes, thanks. All right, now let's switch the roles.